name's Darryl. I'm down here at ArtSmiles recording a video to tell my story of I need implants done to be able to eat. When I was younger, the dentist we used to go to was not a good dentist. Over the years I had a fear of dentists and never went to them again, and over those years I ended up getting a gum disease which eventually made my teeth fall out. I approached the government and got government assistance to get dentures, but that's like having a mouthful of marbles. Over a period of wearing them, talking to a friend, the top plate came loose to where it nearly fell out. Got to the situation there where I just pulled them out and put them in a plastic bag and put them in the drawer and just carried on the way I am now. I have no teeth up the top, only 5 teeth down the bottom. I forget what certain foods taste like because I can't bite them, like peanuts or apples. Crackling from a piece of pork, I wouldn't know what it tastes like anymore. It never used to bother me, but now as I'm getting older, it's playing on the back of my mind that I'd like to get my smile back and be able to taste the foods that I haven't tasted in many years. And here at ArtSmiles, they've given me hope so that I could get implants that will not only give me back my smile, but be able to taste food that I haven't tasted in years. So I'm hoping that I can achieve this goal, and with your assistance, it would help me a long way to reaching that goal. Thank you.